is Wednesday the 19th. Oh my god, it's the 19th of December. What? Crazy. Lily is here with me, so we are going to be spending the day together, which is really exciting. I've got a couple of things planned, so I just spent the morning just cleaning up, tidying, obviously showered. So now we're gonna get straight into doing stuff together. But I thought I would do something a little bit different and get Lily to do my makeup. I thought it would be quite cute to see what she does. Obviously I'm going to help her. Like, I've got my kit here to give her some options as well. So I just thought it would be really cute to see how well she actually does my makeup. First things first, I will let you guys know I got my ring back. Fits perfectly. Yeah, this was from, I believe it's called diamonds.co.nz. so it's a place out in Pukekohe where Adam ordered and he got it customized as well, and that's where I got it resized. So thank you to the people at diamonds.co.nz. I really love my ring. Anyway, time for Lily to go do my makeup. Let's go.
So I'm going to put makeup on my sister Josie, and it's going to be a bit hard because it's my first time. And it's going to be a little tricky. We've got lots of lipsticks, we got lots of these thingies, we got lots of stuff that goes like here on your cheeks, and then like some stuff here, and then these are like eyeshadow. And some brushes. I just somehow like the smell of makeup. It's just sweet. And yeah, and we've got some wipes just in case I made a mistake. Oh, but so yeah, really exciting.
There we go. We had to switch to the phone camera because my camera battery died on me. Alrighty, you ready? You might want to stand for this.
Okay. Like, I'm just gonna like kneel like that, and that's just.
That's all good. Okay, so we've got everything all laid out in front of us. I've got a couple of options of like colors, but basic stuff is pretty basic, really. Cool.
Yeah, so what do I begin with? I don't really know.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna walk you through it. So first things first.
Yeah, okay.
You're gonna use Fix Plus and you're gonna spray this on my face.
Okay.
Quite far away, don't do it too close up.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good. Okay, that's enough. Next up, you want some of that.
Okay, what do I use it for?
So that's for primer.
Oh, so do I just like spray it?
No.
Oh.
So you put some on the back of your hand.
Okay.
Yep.
Like.
That's enough? Yep.
Yeah.
I would say use that one. And you're gonna put this all over my face.
Okay. Okay. Why do I put this on your face?
So this is gonna help it prick my skin. Always go down.
Okay, go down.
Yeah, and same on the forehead, so you want to go down. So this is gonna help make the makeup stay.
Your face looks pretty shiny.
Yeah.
Now what do I do with this bit?
Wipe it off.
Okay.
So you're gonna do the same thing, but with foundation.
Okay.
But you're gonna use a different brush. You're gonna use this brush.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And what's this one for?
So this is called foundation. So this is what you use as a base.
Is that, does it, like,
Did you get my forehead?
yeah, I'm pretty sure I did.
Is it all blended nicely?
I can like still see it. It's like hard to like get like in this, like on the skin. Like spread it out so that you.
Concealer.
Concealer. What do we do with concealer?
So this goes underneath the eyes, so you got to be careful not to get it in my eyes.
Okay.
So you use the wand and you dab it underneath my eyes and then you blend it out with the brush.
Oh.
I'll hold that for you.
Thank you. So just like that.
Mhm. Yep.
There we go. So just look in the camera to see.
Yep. Perfect.
And then under your eye.
Be very gentle. Yeah.
I'm trying to be right here.
Doing very good.
That's good there.
Alright, so we're going to do powder next. So you're just going to pop that all over my skin. So we're using mineralized skin finish. Oh.
And then so just like.
Yep, bounce it all around so it's all set. Alrighty, so we're going to do the bronzer next. So I've got this one here.
Yeah. And then though I just like.
Yep, a little bit more. So you're going to put this basically where my finger is. So we're putting it underneath the cheekbones. So you see the cheekbones, so you want to go underneath it, so like here. Okay. A little bit higher. Yeah.
It's really dark.
Uh-huh. Don't brush it down. Go on that diagonal line that I showed you.
Here we go. Yeah.
Do you think I need some on my forehead? No.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
What blush should I have? On my cheeks. Should I do a pink one or a peachy one?
I think it may be like a bit of a peachy one.
Which one?
So maybe like this one. So just like.
You do it on the apples of my cheeks and blend it into my bronzer.
There we go. Yeah. Good.
You like it?
Yeah. This one.
You want to go for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so
So I just.
go on the side more.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to go on the cheekbones. So like right where that bone is, okay? Don't bring it all the way down here. Just keep it, basically, don't go past my finger.
So just like.
Yeah. Keep going.
Okay.
Is it nice and blended?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Alrighty. Time for you to do my eyebrows.
Ta-da!
That's right. Ready. Here's my brow pencil. I'll take both ends off.
Oh.
Cool. So you gotta brush my brows up first, and then you gotta fill them in.
So just like that.
So they're all going the same way.
Here we go.
Do you need to brush them through again?
Yeah, I probably will.
Just use this brush. Lord. You're so cute. Alright, ready to do some eyeshadow?
Yeah.
So we've got all these colours to choose from.
Oh.
Going for a more natural look today.
Okay.
Do you want to put this on first?
Yeah, sure. So how do I use this?
Just pop it on my lid and then you blend it out with a brush. Oh.
Here we go, and then a brush. Okay.
Blend it out with that brush.
Okay. I think we should choose some. This one.
Which one?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
You want that one? Yeah. No, put one if you want. Yeah. Where are you putting it? You're just gonna put it on my eyelids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give it.
And go for texture. Oh, careful.
So like underneath, or can I just go back on top?
So you can go in the dip part. So in here.
Now just close your eyes for a second, like tightly.
Don't fall out.
It's like it's going everywhere.
Oh no.
There we go.
Do you want to do some eyeshadow underneath?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just gonna do that
A shimmery one. Okay. So don't get it in my eyes. Go a little bit higher. Yeah.
one. Okay. And then. What are you laughing about?
A little bit higher. So it's kind of near my lashes.
I'm just trying to make it even.
Okay. That's important. You gotta make sure it's even.
Yeah.
What?
Nothing. It's just a bit weird. Yeah.
Do you wanna?
No, it's not.
No, you happy with it?
Yeah.
Do you wanna do some eyeliner?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Here we go. So do I just like do a line? Like,
Across the top of my lash line, so like right by my lashes.
here we go. And then.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do I do with mascara?
So you want to coat my lashes with it.
Okay.
So I'll keep my eyes closed and you have to try and get my lashes, okay?
Like up or down?
Go up.
Okay. So. This is a bit tricky.
Does that help?
Go, that's the best I can do. So
Which one?
I'm going to take a look at these two to
Mm.
decide what one. I think I'll go with this one.
You want to go for that one? Yep.
What's it called?
It is called Number 2 Nude. And it's from Nude by Nature.
Okay, number 2 nude. So do I just like...
Just go all over my lips. Try not to go over. Try not to go under. Just go exactly on my lips.
Okay. So just like that.
Uh-huh. Sorry. Sorry, I laughed.
Is it done?
Yeah, I think so. Are you done?
Yeah. Look in the mirror.
It's look in the mirror. Okay.
Okay. So we are gonna see how Josie thinks it looks. Sorry.
Oh. Beautiful. I mean, the highlight is really pretty.
Yes.
so this is the finished makeup look.
Sorry, it's not that perfect, but it's the bestest I can do. It's my first time, and like I said before.
No, you cutie. Okay. Well, that was fun. Did you learn a little bit about makeup?
No, not really. I'm not like learning anything.
Am I ready to go out?
Yeah. I don't. No.
All ready for my night out, guys.
Okay.
This is a lot of bronze.
So,
It's almost like the same color as my chest. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, well.
I added a bit too much.
Probably a little bit.
Yeah.
You did a good job with the lips, though.
Yeah. The
Yeah,
lips, I think, was the best.
Okay, you did a very good job. High five.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go wash this off. Alrighty, camera is charged. We've just finished having lunch. And now it's time to bake. We're going to bake our classic chocolate chip cookies, which is always delicious at Christmas time. Because who doesn't love some festive chocolate chip cookies?
No one.
Exactly. So that was a nice, easy cooking, making session. Now we're gonna play our favourite board game in the world, which is Harry Potter Cluedo. And we've got a little chocolate yawl here that we're gonna snack on. And then we've got to get ready for swimming, because we have swimming. Then hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, that it doesn't rain this evening so that we can go to the Franklin Road Christmas lights. Hey guys, so it's currently Thursday. I forgot to end my vlog last night, but basically we didn't end up going to the Christmas lights because it started to pour down with rain, and it's going to be pouring down with rain for the rest of the week. So don't know if we're going to have that chance to go to the Christmas lights. I don't know, we'll see. And as well, I didn't end up baking the cookies last night because again I was tired. Like, again, we kind of ran out of time. So yeah, last night we just basically sat on the couch, watched Elf, and we're doing my midnight shift tonight. So this morning I'm up bright and early. I'm going to go do some Christmas shopping now. I'm probably not going to film it, so I am ending the vlog here, but I wanted to show you. This is how the cookies turned out. They look so good and delicious and mouth-watering, and I'm like, I want to eat them all, but I'm not going to eat them all because I want to save some for people. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me as well, and I will probably see you guys very soon, hopefully with another video. Anyway,